This program is kind of divided into the very early intro level, which is hand building, where students are just learning how to manipulate the material. You know, there's lots of different approaches from hand building techniques where they're like just pinching small pots by taking a ball of clay and using their fingers and thumbs to pinch it into the final shape. The other class is wheel throwing 1 and 2, and then some specialized classes beyond that where they're using the potter's wheel. But on the potter's wheel, they'll start with a lump of clay, center it on the wheel, use plenty of water to get it as centered as possible, and then to open it up with their thumbs, pull the floor open, and then as the wheel's turning, compress the walls while lifting up to create vessels that, you know, it might be cups or might become vases, might become bowls. In both cases, students are working with raw plastic clay, either off the wheel or on the wheel, to fashion objects, sometimes vessels, sometimes sculptural objects that they manipulate with their hands in some way, and then it becomes leather hard, and it becomes bone dry, and after it's bone dry it goes into a kiln for the preliminary firing, and it comes out kind of soft and pink and porous. And then in the glaze lab they apply a variety of different glaze coatings which give different kinds of surface effects that involve color, texture, surface complexity, tones, and it has the potential to last millennia.